Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm the founder and president of Bock Steam Star. I'm also an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with pushing 30 years experience in the business these days. I deal with a lot of people that have allergies, they have asthma, and they're wondering what to do in the indoor environment and what can be done, at least from a restorative cleaning standpoint. And one of the popular things I've heard and want to see if it's true is there such a thing as a hyperallergenic cat, or is there such a thing as a hyperallergenic dog? And is that actually true? I actually have a dog that they claim is hyperallergenic. So I was reading an article, it made me think about this topic here this week. And the short answer is no, because the hair is not the issue. When they talk about the hyperallergenic, they're talking about maybe it doesn't shed, but it's the proteins that are in the saliva of cats, saliva and dog saliva. It's actually CAN-F1 and FEL-D1 are the technical names of those proteins. Those and the dander certainly can be an issue too, but those proteins are what cause the problems. The hair is just a transportation device that takes it onto the fabrics like your couch, your carpets, your rugs, your hard surfaces. I mean, your tile and grout and hard floors can still all have these same allergens on there. So it's those protein droppings that, as the animals groom themselves, even if it's a hairless cat or a hyperallergenic cat, they're still grooming themselves, and the saliva is imparting the proteins, and then they frolic around, rolling around on stuff. I mean, imagine that if they're sitting on the back of your upholstery, where I see a lot of cats as I walk through houses sitting up on the back of the sofa, and then we're leaning back right into that area. And if we're allergic to that, man, there's a lot of proteins that are there that can cause an allergic reaction. So the good news is, folks, it's just another type of soil. So, and soil is defined in the IICRC standards as anything that's foreign to the carpet fiber or to the surface we're called upon to clean. So these proteins, the problem with them, they just don't vacuum out, is because they're bound now by the oils and they're bound to those fibers. So we need effective cleaning processes, and that's what we do at Bock Steam Star, okay? Through our high performance hot water extraction units have been scientifically proven to clean better. Okay, in fact, some studies have even said that we can take those dander and some of those allergens down by 95%. So call us. We're experts at looking at these things, and we'll give you a free on-site visit. I do still a lot of those myself today. So let's just discuss your issues and see if we have a plan. We even have products that we can apply afterwards that can denature those proteins. So it doesn't cost anything to have me out, and we'll leave you a written quote. If it makes sense, we'll come do the job. Hope that helps, and if we can serve you soon. Thank you.